Hi, this is about my Stuart Petrol lightweight engine, 29.9cc, and here is some details of it when you might have bought it back in 1935, the bits from Stuart Turner to make the Stuart engine. And here is the original carburettor, which I've tried to get going, but so far without success. Unfortunately, the needle valve has got broken. I made a new one, but it's not really very good. But it's also quite difficult to get enough suction to get the fuel running in to get these things started, as I'll show you in a minute. And here is the engine. Hasn't run for nearly 70 years, and I've found a plug for it, and we've got a motorcycle coil there, 12-volt coil, and that little can I found made a really good little petrol tank. And this is very interesting. It's a AML 308 carburettor, in very good condition, that I found, and that used to go on the cycle motors of the 50s, little engines that were fitted on the back of people's bikes. That is the stub exhaust that I make, because unfortunately the original exhaust has been lost. And also I made the little manifold there for the carburettor. And this fine thing here is the water supply. It warms up quite quickly. So there it is. Now we'll try and start it. Okay, right, first of all we'll put some petrol in it. Oh, that's not good. Right, that should be enough. Right, check the water. Yeah, there's enough water in there. And I'll plug it in. That's got electricity plugged in. Right, I've wound up the flywheel, and then it always likes a little bit of extra petrol popped in to get it fired up. So I'll just try and put that amount in. Squirt that into the carburettor. Give it plenty of choke. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what happens. There we are, running really well. Needs a little bit of adjustment, you know, the timing and so on. The carburetor isn't perfect, but it does start, doesn't it?